Hi, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today you will learn something very useful and very simple. Today's topic is daily routine in English. Speak like a native. Beginner practice. If you feel shy to speak English, don't worry. This lesson is for you. Let's start. Do you want to speak English about your daily routine with zero fear? Stay with me. After this lesson, you will talk about your day like a native, in very simple English. Beat. Let's make your English smooth and natural today. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Take a deep breath. Relax. This is your safe, happy English space. I'm here to help you grow step by step. With me, English becomes easy. With me, English becomes fun. Ready? Let's learn together. Today, we learn daily routine English. These are the sentences you use every single day. Why is this important? Because when you can talk about your daily routine, you can speak with confidence, with friends, co-workers, classmates, anyone. For example, I wake up at 7. I go to work. Very simple, very useful. Let's start. Teach 7 useful sentences. Simple, slow, friendly. Sentence 1, I wake up at 7. Say it slowly with me. I wake up at 7. Meaning, you open your eyes, your day begins. Daily example. I wake up at 7 on weekdays. Pronunciation tip. Wake up sounds like wake up. Sentence 2, I brush my teeth. Slow. I brush my teeth. Meaning, you clean your teeth in the morning. Example, I brush my teeth after breakfast. Pronunciation. Teeth. Long I sound. Sentence 3, I take a shower. Slow. I take a shower. Meaning, you clean your body with water. Example, I take a shower before I leave home. Sentence 4, I go to work. Slow. I go to work. Meaning, you travel to your job. Example, I go to work at 9. Sentence 5, I eat lunch at 1. Slow. I eat lunch at 1. Meaning, you eat your midday meal. Example, I eat lunch at 1 every day. Pronunciation tip, lunch. Short U, not long. Sentence 6, I come home in the evening. Slow. I come home in the evening. Meaning, you return home after work. Example, I come home at 6. Pronunciation, come sounds like come. Sentence 7, I go to bed at 11. Slow. I go to bed at 11. Meaning, you sleep for the night. Example, I go to bed at 11 on weekdays. These sentences are simple, but when you use them every day, your English grows fast. Repeat after me. Slow. Repeat after me. Ready? I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1. I come home in the evening. I go to bed at 11. Great. Again, one more time. Say all 7 again slowly. Now pause this video and say all 7 sentences out loud. Go slow, be confident. Pause, practice, and come back. Pause moment. Now let's go fast. Follow me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1. I come home in the evening. I go to bed at 11. Good. One more time. Faster. Repeat the set quickly. You're doing amazing. Listen to me. Your English is getting better right now. Every word you say makes you stronger. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. You are smart. You are capable. And you can speak English. I'm proud of you. Now, I want you to practice in the comments. Write one simple daily routine sentence using today's lesson. For example, I wake up at 6. Your turn. Write yours below. If you enjoyed learning with me, if you felt confident today, please like this video. It helps this channel grow. And if you want more easy English lessons, hit subscribe and share this video with someone who is also learning English. We grow together. Thank you for spending this time with me. You learned a lot today. You spoke out loud. You practiced. You improved. I'm excited for your next lesson. Come back tomorrow and keep growing with me. Have a beautiful day and keep shining. Bye.